Okay, so what are you on? Gold first. Let me hop over to MGC.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just go ahead.
I am. Like, I could see a range game here today.
Definitely.
So that's where it's.
It's tricky. Um, 4 hour I can see coming back up.
Yeah, like I got a limit buy set at 50.82. Right
Yeah.
at that level. On the 15, it looks good too.
Yeah, I do like that.
And then a limit sell. I was kind of looking at on gold, which it's really far ways away, was 51.45. Because I could definitely see the 4 hour coming back up, but
Yeah. Yeah, I like that one. Off the hourly.
hmm. Then that's kind of what I'm peeping on
GC or MGC.
GC. Now let's go and then Q. Oh, hold on. I'm gonna switch accounts. I'm gonna buy one. So, and then for and then Q. Um, I have it right on the VWAP for me. A
Alright.
limit buy because that 4 hour looks like it wants to go. It just sucks that it's 600 pips away.
The buy on the VWAP.
Yeah, a limit buy right there. Because especially off the 15, a lot of support.
No, I really like that off the VWAP.
Yeah,
Did you watch that video?
I didn't, dude. I need to.
No, but I mean that's literally. I thought it sounds like you did though. If you're setting it like how it is, because that would be perfect.
Yeah, just because
Um,
I was like, well, it made sense from yesterday when you explained it to me. So,
yeah, yeah. The dude he explains it like it. There's some parts of it that you're like, okay, we don't need that for our strategy, but uh,
and then also, what were your thoughts on a limit sell here? I don't know where.
it's tricky because the 4 hour is so bullish.
I know.
But it is tapping into all those previous supports. It's just
There's just not a great place on the 15.
no.
Like the best place that I could see is and it'd be like once it broke or once the daily got a top wick. So
Uh,
I don't know. I'm kind of just wanting to do a limit buy.
yeah, I would agree with that.
So, but cool. Let's
Yes.
that's the play.
Is your VWAP gold on M&Q?
So that's if you have multiple set.
That's right. Um, Interesting.
Interesting. Mm. Now we wait.
Yeah.
Open a new window. Yeah, and then I'm just deleting the VWAP here. But
Yeah, we'll see how, like, if it wants to close above, we continue above. I'll keep it open on gold for now.
that works. Well, I'll pray real quick and then we can kind of talk through it to Brett. Kind of explain the new strategy going on here.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Dear God, Lord, thank you for this day. Thank you that we get to show up here another day, Lord. Just thank you for this opportunity that we're given. Lord, we give you all the glory no matter what. Um, Lord, you just give us wisdom as we look at the charts this morning. Continue to bless us. Lord, we love you and we're so grateful for you. In Jesus' name, amen.
Amen.
So, Brett, I don't know if you can, or if you're nearby or can hear us.
Yeah.
Sweet. So, Deck, if you want to explain or you want me
Yeah, I
to,
got
it's
it.
kind of more so you coming up with it. It was more so like, yeah, you were like, we need to take advantage of direction.
Yeah. So basically, we kind of hop on and we still use high time frame, low time frame correlation. And so based off, spots where prices come down and rejected, and we know where price is heading, we'll set a limit buy and a limit sell off of key levels. So a lot of times you'll have price come down. You see in the past we came down into this level and rejected up out of it. We're basically just looking to mirror that move again. Um, and so kind of playing with these ranges. So, this level right here where we have our limit buy at 50.81, price has come down and tapped into multiple times. One, two, three, four, five, about 6 times and rejected up out of there. So just expecting that to happen again. We get the 4 hour coming back up here. Um, we've pretty much tapped targets on the daily. Like we've come down, grabbed those lows, we're rejecting up out of there. So that's the idea on the limit buy, and then the limit sell. The same thing. Kind of we've rejected off of these, and so when we're range bound like this, you can take advantage of these pullbacks. So That's the whole idea in that.
We're squeezing price.
Yeah, squeezing it. So that's what we did last week, and what we're gonna continue to do. And then still take the setups like a care package and all that if it presents itself. But this has been working last week.
Yeah. Yeah, just finding the big thing is, yeah, just finding big key spots of rejection, and taking advantage of it, knowing that, hey, price is going to react here. The first level of rejection is where we have our limit buy. So as you see, Deck has it right there at 50.81. Uh, but then our uh, our stops are going to be down at 50.18. So just to let it breathe. So it's like, yep, if it didn't like that level, we'll see how if it gets down to our stops. If not, cool. But that's why we go low risk because stops are so big. So
So I guess do you basically do two orders?
Yeah, so limit buy, it's different than the buy stop. So since it's we're um we're not getting in up above the candle,
Right.
the limit buy would be like it taps here and then we would get tapped into a buy instead
Yeah.
of having a so yeah, but it's two different orders pretty much, but they're not obviously filled until price hits them. Um, and so what's nice about this is you can kind of have them set and then just do your own thing until they get hit, and then manage where you want your stops and take profit at. And I mean, we've been in these trades for like when we take them, some will last an hour, some will last six, others will last overnight. Um, just depending on how price is moving around. So, uh,
Nice.
yeah, that's the idea. Because I mean, and it is just off of one of those like we've been right about direction. That's kind of been the common theme is getting tapped in, tapped out, and then being right about direction. You know what I mean? And so,
Yes.
um, but yeah, just a dude that I used to watch on YouTube who trades gold price action and still trades our playbook, also trades this way. I was like, man, he's doing, he's
best of both worlds.
yeah doing best, but yeah, exactly. So, um, I really like this because
Yeah, I like it.
it gives yeah, like Dice said, gives the trade time to breathe and you get to manage it differently, um, instead of like making the wrong move in half a second, you know, because that can get stressful.
Yeah, when markets are crazy here.
Yeah.
Mm, I guess I'll get out of bed and just have to buy an eval. Ugh. I guess so.
Yeah, that's what I did.
You got you another one.
Yeah, my average trade. Yeah, two trades on this account. One was 40 minutes, one was 10 hours.
So Declan, are we we're in on this one here? So or is this just your practice?
No, yeah, this is like how we were trading them yesterday, or not yesterday, golly, last week.
Okay, so jump in on this then.
Yeah, just have your limit buy and limit sell set where mine
Yeah.
are at.
Yeah.
40, 41, 7. Oh, goodness.
I'll be right back.
Sounds good.
So I was in a hurry. I'm sorry.
Do it.
Oh, nothing.
Oh no, you're all good.
All right. Didn't know I forgot I was muted.
Good.
Dyson,
Yes, sir.
I've got a brand new combine. So how many contracts should I go on the with the combine, would you say?
So I look at stops. And so stops on what's Deck showing gold right now? Stops on gold where he has it for me will be 630 630 pips. So it's I take then 2100 essentially divided by 630. Um, and so I would go 3 or 4 contracts on the micro. If because I mean it's still full porting it. If you want to full port your combine, which that's what I'm doing. Because right now I'm going 4 contracts on gold. And because that would be the $2,000 stop loss.
Okay.
And then having it set to 1,500 obviously on the position brackets. Because if you do 1,500 divided by 4, yeah, then you only need 375 pips. For half of your account.
Yeah.
So,
I'm freaking stoked about this time change.
really?
Oh my gosh.
I know. I'm just glad it's gonna stay light later.
Yeah.
But then does that mean in the morning that it stays dark later,
It
or
eventually catches up and it'll start getting light at 6 o'clock in the morning or something.
that's what I
During
like
the-
to see. Yeah, because I know in the summer it gets bright extremely early. I just wasn't sure how it was for now. I think if it'll like technically stay dark longer at the start right now, but
Um, Dyson, so on the this is the first time I've done a combine forever. Um, so in my account risk settings over in the settings,
yep.
the personal daily loss limit, did I put the 2,000?
No.
No.
So you're looking at where it says account risk settings. If you look directly to the left, where it says switch to auto CO bracket,
Yeah. Yeah.
put in profit 1550 or 15. Let's see what they take for commission. That was in Q both times. Sorry, give me a second. I would do like 15. I would do 1515 or something.
1515.
Yeah, 1510.
Okay. And then what about the risk?
I wouldn't do any risk
Okay.
unless you want to. Because for me, that's where I full port or risk the whole account on it for the combine.
Is that what I did last time, Declan, was risk the whole account?
Yeah.
The
I mean,
combine.
you trade, I mean,
On the combine.
you went heavier risk, but you still managed your combine like you still would set your stop loss. And so that's what kept
Yeah.
you in the markets from losing it when you were trading it.
I guess what I'm saying is in the settings, do I need to put a number in the risk? Did I do that last time?
Nah.
Okay. Dyson, I trust you. He set me up last time, so I'll just
No,
make
you're all
sure.
good. No, I believe you. Um, how's this account looking, Deck?
Better.
Better.
Yeah. Definitely better. Um, so we have
Man, I was hoping we'd get a bottom wick here on the hourly for gold, but
not
that
getting
would
one.
come get us, but I guess not. That is what's nice about trading view though.
Yeah. Kind of seeing beforehand.
Yeah, and it's like instead of having to do the math,
Yeah.
like, because I just got to do the math of it. But
That is true. I will give that to the old trading view.
hmm,
But then you start doing
then it takes it
this right
it
here, and
it
it's
slips
pretty
you.
pretty confusing on your screen.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Like,
that's too funny. What do you mean that's confusing?
yeah. It's so dark out. It's daylight.
Oh, it's still dark there?
I mean, yeah, the sun's starting to pop out.
Yeah. So we're doing a limit buy only in Q.
Yeah.
Just because if you go look at the daily has no top wick, and it could rip that top wick and not stop. So
Yeah.
And my
once it,
apologies, but is this NQ or MNQ?
MNQ.
MNQ. Okay.
Yeah. Every time I
Right.
say MNQ, I think of Austin Powers. I don't know why.
Dr. Evo is trading MNQ today, fellas.
I love it.
Ooh.
And Decom, so I don't know why it's hard to tell. Is it at 24,239 or 24,232?
24,232. Like Dyson, for example, off of this, like the V-Bob's coming through right here. You got it's like a break and retest. So like,
That's exactly where we would have had it.
yeah, exactly. Like a buy stop up in here.
Mm-hmm.
And
Or
then
yeah, yeah, the limit buy.
yeah, my bad. The limit buy like right in here.
Yep.
Based off these levels. And so that it would just be an extra confirmation, you know, that's like, oh, okay, yeah, we're breaking retesting the VWAP, the average price as well.
Yeah.
So, but
No, I like it. Yeah, it's just another thing to kind of just.
obviously it doesn't work every time. Like here, I mean, just depending on what we would have done with the 4 hour coming down, I don't know. But I mean, there's another break and retest right here where we could have had a limit sell. Been sitting in a little bit of drawdown, but
Yeah, I mean, we are pretty bullish here on gold right
yeah, I
now,
don't think we'd have had a limit sell right there anyways.
but yeah.
Got the daily and the 4 hour.
Did y'all take a trade last night?
Now,
Now, price opened up crazy, and so I was like, after Bible study, or like I think it was like right before or after, I can't remember. I was like, I'm not touching the market till tomorrow morning. I'll let it
yeah,
figure out what it wants to do because for gold, it bled off from market open.
Yeah.
Over 1,700 pips. Like just I was like, oh, so that's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I was like, yeah, I'm gonna let it settle and we'll come back. And same thing with NQ2, had a huge gap, and I was like, just gonna show up tomorrow morning and see what it kind of looks like then, because price action didn't look familiar. So that's why. So I say we both were just like, yeah, I'm good.
Yeah.
Dyson, would you mind like taking a screenshot of the YouTube, like snapshot of that screen and just going into ChatGPT and be like, how do I fix the blurry? I would
Yeah.
do it, but got too many screens going on here.
Yeah. And people can see search history, whatever they want. I don't want them seeing what I'm telling chat. That's where I
Yeah.
draw the line.
No, bro. Yeah, same.
Grace, can I talk to your chat real quick? Absolutely not. You no.
Or I don't know if you've seen the memes where it's like you use your girlfriend or whatever's phone and you like pull up her calculator and it's like 10 minus 5 or something. You're like, oh god.
I have seen those memes. They're hilarious. I'm like, oh my gosh. Yeah.
Like 7 times 2. You
Yeah.
had to use your calculator for that.
Yeah, I forget yeah, there was a bunch of other stuff too in it. Or in the video.
Kelsey's would be, is Little Rock south of here? Like, yes, babe. Yes.
Oh my gosh. Why do I have a headache?
Yeah.
How do I fix?
Have you drank a glass of water today? No.
No, I don't need to, do I?
Have I had anything to eat today? Well, I had a granola bar. It's like 6 p.m.
Yeah, duh. Of course, I've had something to eat. A bite of a granola bar.
Yeah.
Like, is that what your agent's asking you to, like, checking up on you?
No, we're just
There's a meme.
we're holding a bit on that meme
Okay.
of like, moms always say, "Oh, I got a headache." You're like, "Oh, wonder why."
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, it says YouTube defaults to auto and drops quality fast.
Okay.
So do this, click the button, bottom right corner.
I don't think I've hit the gym in 3 weeks.
Three?
All of my
Like-
hands.
Yay! Just kidding. Sometimes it's good to take a break, man.
Yeah.
Yep.
I've been.
Right.
Have you been on the bike any?
No, I don't think so.
I don't think so.
You mountain bike, right?
Yeah.
No, that's the problem is I road bike. I probably need to sell it and just get a mountain bike and never race road again. But
I'm tempted to get a mountain bike and start riding the Centennial right here is super nice but I watched the video of that chairlift.
yeah,
Dude, it's sweet. Of the Ozark Trail.
yeah, I went up to buy it 2 days ago. I've been spending a lot of time up in Bella Vista.
For real estate?
Yeah, with real estate or other things that come from Missouri. Not for me though.
Yeah.
But I'll typically go and like stop by the JJ's up in Bella Vista.
Yeah.
That's a good spot.
My sister works there.
Oh, really?
Mhm. Yeah, she did cosmetology, so she's a hairstylist, and I think she works here over the weekends.
Oh, nice. I'll keep a lookout.
Yeah.
It says, stop streaming through Zoom, go direct with OBS.
Okay.
I don't know what OBS is.
But no, so a bunch of my friends from Dallas, like older friends from cycling, have moved up to Bentonville and Bella Vista. So we had like a big hangout a couple weekends ago, and his house, like where that chairlift is, you go right past it, and then there's a street that just goes straight up into the sky up that mountain. And his house was like kind of close by it, overlooks like a ravine and some other trails down in this valley. And it was so cool. I would totally live up there.
Yeah. No, it's starting to become a cool spot. Just gotta kick all the retirement old folk out of there.
Yeah. Screw those guys.
Yeah.
That'll happen through attrition.
Yeah. What's the definition of attrition?
I think attrition just like they just slowly go away. They just die off.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah. Yeah. You think it's gonna kind of turn into that for Bella Vista in a way? Like it's gonna be less of a retirement community and more of a
Man, I have no idea. I think it'll be both because the retirement folks still want to come south where there's a bunch of golf courses, you know,
yeah.
and where they're selling from probably is they can still get a good deal down here versus where they are, you know.
Right.
I'm going to open up a strip club and a vape shop and scare them away.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Scare them off.
So yesterday was my last day of like training at Uptown.
Yeah.
And I got some food discounts, like got it all comped. So picked up an order of those like razor rolls to go.
Uptown bar, like where's that?
It's over by I think you and I've gone there before a concert, maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe before the Cody Jinks concert, maybe. I don't know. So it's a tap. They got a lot of beer on tap, like craft beer joint with good food.
Then I got some mac and cheese with like grilled chicken for lunch. So I am hooked up for today.
Nice.
But
How many days out of the week are you working there?
I'm probably just gonna do Sunday and Monday until like concerts show up. You know, maybe because they get slammed with concerts.
Yeah.
But I mean, I probably made like 130-ish yesterday.
Nice. Did you
pretty good.
enjoy it? Do you like the people that work there?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Yeah, I do like it. Staff is pretty cool. And then, yeah, I just get to, pour beers.
Yeah.
I keep, Mr. Baldwin's going to love this, but I keep, like, thinking about Beavis and Butthead. And they're working at the restaurant.
Yeah.
And go, we need you to change the oil. Just go to AutoZone and get a bunch of motor oil for the fryer.
Yeah. Huh. Oh man, so good. Burger World. Is that where they work? Or wealth.
I'm gonna be standing behind
So
the
with
bar.
real estate, are you what's been like the trickiest part or the biggest difference, obviously, is it just trying to build up like connections in the area, or where, how does
Yeah.
it go for that brokerage? Yeah.
So, like, honestly, my job is to meet and get 10 people's phone numbers every day.
Okay.
And the guy that kind of like runs our side of the team, not Mike Dooley, but there's another guy. He's really big on cold calls,
That's awesome.
and it doesn't freaking work, man.
No, it doesn't. Not
No.
not today. Yeah. That's tricky. You're better off just reaching out to anyone you know,
Oh, yeah.
your network, and then
Well, I was about to get a sale, and then my buddy turns around and used another realtor. And it's like, yeah, by the way, I put a contract in, and I'm out of town, so sorry.
like,
Great.
dude, I'm trying to get my first sale here. What are we doing?
But I do
that's
have
frustrating.
a couple of big buyers,
Mhm.
and one of them's going ghost on me, so I'm kind of like not happy about that. But I mean, if I get my goal with a couple of these buyers that I have is I want to do like $1 million sale and then another $1 million sale, like in the same month.
Mhm.
And I'd probably get 25 to 30 grand from doing those two.
Right.
And then I'd feel better. And then I just
Yeah. Then you can kind of, like, all right. Yeah, you can enjoy the process a little bit more, I guess.
Yeah, but the goal is just to start doing them and then, work really hard for those clients, show them you appreciate them, do a good job. They'll tell other people that might be buying, and it just will snowball.
Yeah.
So I need to make my small, tiny snowball first
Right.
and then throw it down the hill.
Yeah. I do. It'll pick up. But I was before like leaving ABC, I just talked to a brokerage, same deal you're doing, and they were just like, yeah, commission's obviously great, but the first like 3 to 6 months, it's a grind getting like working up your people and getting that first deal done and all that. So
Yeah, and ultimately my goal is like being behind the bar, serving people, either for dinner or on the weekends. Specifically, if I'm behind the bar, I have the opportunity to talk to everybody and, oh, why are you working here if you've got a finance degree? What are you doing, dude? It's like, well, come buy a house.
yeah, it's not necessarily.
You know anybody that wants to buy something?
Yeah.
But honestly, no, I really do enjoy it, and it's a fun job. Like, I've never been in that industry. Closing sucks.
Does it?
I freaking am terrible at mopping floors.
Oh yeah. I thought you'd been like closing a deal.
Oh, no, I
Like going
wish.
and closing. Yeah, dude. Yeah, it's the worst. It's because it's like it just feels never ending.
Like, I think Thursday night I got finished. Like, restaurant closes at 10. I left at like 11:30. It was like, oh no, what have I done here?
Yeah.
But I can manage that if it's just one closing a week or whatever.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Suck it up.
No, dude, I think you could make some good connections working there.
Yeah.
Dude, sometimes chat, I'm like, dude, that's just not there. I took a picture and you're telling me something that doesn't exist.
Yeah,
I'm like, look at the picture.
I know.
But with OpenClaw, I wanted to see if we could ask it, hey, how can we create like a AI property management company um, that you would just sell directly to owners of homes that are wanting to rent it out
Yeah.
and have AI
So
just put it all for
I
them.
meant to respond to that text. Dude, yeah, that's it's funny you mentioned that because I've thought of that lately too. I'm like, even when we were working property management and we were just getting more into AI, I'm like, dude, even as a property manager, you kind of got to worry about it's different as a realtor, like for you, like obviously still need the human interaction with doing these deals. People are gonna want that, but with property owners, dude, if they can if they could just hand their um property over to a management company that's AI that they can find the best deals on, obviously like it'd be tricky with the maintenance, but you would just have the bot reach out to the and find the best deals and get good quotes on different maintenance, companies. Um, and then yeah, I think it's gonna make property management companies like a one man team who uses
Yeah,
AI. So it's like for me, I'm like, shoot, we could be dodging a bullet getting out of that property because it's like where was our jobs gonna go? Or I worry about like um administrator roles and all, like Denise, dude, like that job right there is truly toast in the next year.
yeah. So how do we create that? And
Yeah, so I would find a guy on YouTube, just look up OpenCall because these tech dudes are much better at explaining it than I am, and get it set up, and you do what you just asked me, like how would you tell that to the bot? You're like, how would say I want to set up a property management company or bot for owners to um just go ahead and it'd be like a package deal, and they just buy that app or software or whatever bot. You just literally you can tell that to the bot or use ChatGPT to work you up something to start prompting over to the bot. And you just once you kind of go down one hole, you you just get to the point where you just prompt it. Like literally any question you have, like how would I um, set this up with property owners, wanting um, new tenants or whatever it may be. I don't know. But you would just literally you just go to the bot, like any questions you have, like the bot will work you through every scenario, if that makes any sense.
yeah, it does. It also had me thinking, the vast majority of people don't like realtors. So create an AI one and, maybe that saves them a lot on commission. It's something that's 24/7 for that person buying or selling the house. Can pull all sorts of data and comps instantly. The only problem is, if they are buying or selling, how do you handle, hey, we need to open the door and this random person's going to come. Whether
That's the one thing. That's why I think, like I said, it'll be more of like these one-man shows where, for example, you, Brett, you're still the realtor. Your bot takes out all the friction and that grunt work of like finding the properties, sending it out, being there, waking up at early in the morning, having to all that nitty gritty stuff, and your bot will do that for you. But you handle the like meet in person, open the door if there's an open house. Obviously, you got to get like open house stuff, like that kind of deal. And you just use the bot to structure and you can use it to answer emails. So basically use it to just make your life as a realtor a lot easier. I think that's kind of the approach you should take with that, and then you see what you can do with it.
Yeah.
But no, that's a great idea. I think that'd definitely be worth doing. And as I know for a fact, as like you could get it set up with your emails, and I know your boss is like in cold calls. You could set it up to do cold emails and
Right.
just and send out like hundreds of emails a day, and just pester leads with that. But you're bound to get a response,
Pester lot owners like me in Bella Vista every single day.
Yeah.
Yes.
Tell him what you sent back to. My dad has a heyday with these.
I'll just be like, I sold it to your mom last week, and and then every once or out, like I said yesterday, I was like, oh, I lost it in a poker game. Or I will say I fell on hard times and had to give it back to the bank. Or I'll be like, oh man, yeah, I just sold that for like $3,000 last week, which really twists the knife because like they would have given me 15 for it. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
And for them to be like, because I'll be like, oh, I wish you would have reached out to me.
Yeah.
A couple of weeks ago because I just sold it. Like I make them feel terrible about not reaching out to me, like they missed out on a big opportunity.
Yeah.
Gosh.
Man.
Man.
It's for some reason I would get those texts too for a while, and it's every single day. It's crazy.
Then, yeah, as far as like the girls are big on social media marketing.
Yeah.
That's not me. I do not want to have like a separate or, just my primary Instagram account or whatever.
Right.
Just turning into, come look at this home.
Right.
And I don't have a set of tits, so I can't really market like that.
Yeah. Yeah, it's tough. I think there's a way of using social media without having to be like that, if that makes any sense. Like a lot of people do like just a walkthrough. Like you don't even have to use your face. But like a cool walkthrough video, you know what I mean?
Brett, I would think that, yeah, you don't have to have a nice set of knockers to sell real estate, because if you think about it, it's mainly women that are looking at houses, I think.
It's true.
And so, just be a nice, charming young man and be professional. And I think that it's not like you're trying to sell pharmaceuticals to doctors against the women with the nice knockers,
Yeah.
Dude, I'd rather, if you're going to sell real estate, being a dude is not such a bad thing, I don't think.
Good deal. Gonna hit the gym.
There you go. Hit the gym, dude. Hit the gym. Don't go 3 weeks again without hitting the gym.
Yes.
Yeah, and you could, with the AI agent, what I'm looking into is what's going to help me in our business is like I've created it's called I just named it like a content engine agent. And so like it's able to pull clips and everything for me. So I just have to kind of tell it, you're basically just the COO of the agent. And so like, you know, um, the agent will like go in and make short form clips for me that I just post. And so you can use your agent to like give you video ideas and hooks and or just take a long video of you walking through a house, and instead of it taking you 3 hours to sit there and edit it and make it look pretty, you just send the whole thing to your agent and it'll do it for you. So just stuff
Oh
like
yeah,
that. You know what I mean?
that'd be huge.
Yeah.
I've got a question for you nerds. So I got a new iPhone, like a second line, so I can get the Discords.
Uh-huh.
Um, and it's on the Verizon. It's under mom, or it's under like it's under my name. But um, so am I able to create a new Apple ID for this separate phone so I don't get all of Blythe's freaking FaceTime friends?
Yes. Like mom can do the same thing too. It's just like
Okay.
she's like, there's nothing we can do about. No, you just go when you set your phone up. Yeah, just create a new Apple ID.
And I can do that even with my Gmail, Jefferson Ford Baldwin at Gmail.
Yeah, yeah, you
Okay.
should be able to.
I mean, if I had to do a new Gmail just for this iPhone, I'll do that.
Yeah, but no, if you use your Jefferson Ford Baldwin, you shouldn't be. Yeah, it shouldn't connect you to the iCloud. Because I'll get a call from, or I'll try to call mom and Blythe will answer,
Yeah.
whatever. Uh, yeah, yeah, you should be able to get that. Let's see how we react to the VWAP here.
The view up.
Now, is that why we're so spread so away? Like, I mean, what's the right word? Why are we so spread out here with our limit buy and limit sell? Is it um just kind of seeing what openings or news bring so we don't get like caught up in anything? Is that
A little bit of everything. I mean, mainly for us, it's the level here off the 4 hour. Is what we have our limit buy.
uh-huh.
That's just a key level. Um, as well as the hourly, it's a key level. I mean, could have it up a little bit more, um, closer to the VWAP, but for now we're just kind of range bound, so want to be careful with it. I mean, what do you?
Yeah, no, it's kind of a little bit of everything, considering it being Monday and there's absolutely like zero news. Like the only thing on Forex Factory is President Trump speaks at 1 or at 3:35 p.m. So, uh, there's that. So we could just be range bound today, which is fine, and we could take advantage of that. However, we have it at the key levels where there's heavy support. So it's kind of just in between key levels. And
Mhm.
so um, we'll see. We got it up above and below to kind of trap price. But if it just wants to continue to range very small today, then we'll kind of let it be and just not touch it, considering it being a Monday with everything going on. And then for NQ, why we only have a limit buy is because there's no top wick on the daily, and we are pretty close to breaking that top wick.
Okay.
So, but yeah, I would say combination of everything. Just a little combo.
Mm-hmm.
Hopefully that made it less confusing and not more confusing.
Whatever you say. I listen to you and I do whatever you do.
Yeah, man, we're just kind of dilly dallying around here.
Yeah, and also too, because I look at it for stops as well. It's like, yeah, we could see rejection here, but it's like then stops would have to be very steep for where I'd want it to be. You know,
Yeah, yeah,
um,
very, very steep.
it's like here, it's like stops aren't bad, and that's where I like it.
Yeah. That's, yeah,
Granted,
my whole-
here on gold, we do have a pretty big range. I would say 647 pips.
Yeah.
Like we're between our two orders, but
Yeah, I'd agree. We got a ways to go on NQ.
yeah. What do you mean? We only have 600 pips.
Okay.
Just a little bit to go.
You had to see what I sent. I'm getting a lot of memories from NOLA.
Yeah.
And there's a video of Colin peeing on the street, and you're covering him up, dude, in the middle of the streets in New Orleans, bro.
Brother.
Yeah.
Oh my
That's
God.
disgusting.
Yeah.
Like, is it like Bourbon Street he's peeing?
Not Bourbon, but off, on one of those other side streets.
But that's why it smells like piss around there. Piss and puke.
Is
Yeah.
it Colin?
Oh, dude, after going twice, I don't think
I
I'd
don't think I want to go back ever.
ever again.
The
Like
New Orleans
I
or the Bourbon Streets?
Both.
get.
I want to go for the food, man.
Yeah, food's good,
Oh my gosh.
but it's like, dude, it's just a whole out war there. Bayou.
Holy cow. Deck, I'm sending you the step-by-step instructions. Chat is taking forever
Oh,
to
you're
do
still
that.
on that?
Dude, yeah. This here's a book for you to read essentially.
Sweet.
Holy cow. I mean, it's holy balls. That's a whole book and a half. Yeah, look,
Gosh, bro. Dude.
what?
Talking about the book.
Oh yeah. I know. It thought forever too, and then was like, here's all the steps, and I'm like, oh my gosh.
Jeez.
That first purchase mainly tells you like what it's doing. Yeah, that I mean it is
Dude, I got burnt yesterday.
really.
Yeah, a little bit. A little red on the chest and back. That I went to Catfish Hole last night with a couple buddies.
Yeah. For the Razorbacks, so they have, was it a,
No, they didn't. But that's like the first time. I mean, I can't even tell you last time I went to Catfish Hole. Like it had to have been when I
yeah.
was super young with you guys. That place is
Yeah.
awesome.
Was it good? You liked it?
There's unlimited hush puppies on Sundays. So
Oh,
it's like worse than a Mexican restaurant.
yeah.
It's just like hush puppies, killing them, and your catfish comes out, and you're like, oh. But
Ooh,
no, that
yeah.
was the most fried food I've ever had in one sitting.
Uh,
It was so worth it.
luckily, it's all in beef tallow.
Is it actually?
No, I'm kidding.
Okay. I was about to say, I'm gonna go to the catfish hole
That's
every day.
you
Yeah.
got your hopes all up.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
It's just where people go to die, though, man. It's like you walk in there, dude. And you're just like, oh,
Is it just old folks?
yeah. Old fat folk.
Yeah,
Like,
of course, man.
yeah. Or they'll get it to go. Like, two dudes kind of just wobbled in there. And we're just like, yeah.
Wobbled in there is crazy.
Literally wobbled in there. And I thought they were going to sit down. No, they just got them some catfish hole to go. They're just picking it up. They're going to go get on their, their recliners and with their food tray of a
Oof.
belly they got. It's sad, dude. It's like, you guys. It's almost like that's what they live for.
No, it is. That's
It's
exactly
food.
it. Yeah, that's it.
Ah. But Joe, uh, you met Joe, right? The guy from Chicago. He was at a tailgate one time. He's kind of
Yeah,
Italian,
yeah, yeah.
Kind of Italian.
super talkative. Love him.
Yeah.
He he can rip off Nacho Libre quotes almost better than me. Like,
Oh,
and
that's
so
great, man. That's a great
we were
great friend
just,
to have.
oh yeah, it's great. We were belly laughing the entire time. He's just,
So that's who you went with?
yeah,
Oh, that's
him,
awesome.
his roommates, and oh, it was good. I needed that. Needed some Nacho Libre quotes. They're so funny.
Oh man, when he farts jumping from the top ring, dude, the top rope, bro. I mean,
And is because he was like, he asked such a good question. He was like, do you um laugh the hardest at the raunchy comedies or just the ones that are just stupid? And I'm like, dude, the ones that are stupid. He's like, okay,
yeah,
what? I'm like, Nacho Libre. He's like, yes.
yeah,
Like, that's perfect. It's like, there's no
perfect.
raunchies. Anyone can watch it. It's just stupid funny.
Yeah,
But
to me, man, raunchy comedy. It's just not. I don't know. It's just lazy.
yeah, it's an easy thing to do.
It's just the low hanging fruit, man. Like
Yeah,
to make a movie like Nacho Libre and make that funny and have Jack, yeah, it's just, bro. It's just brilliance, man.
yeah,
It's yeah, for sure.
it is. Really is.
Golly, the best.
It's the man.
All right, I'm gonna
I
go make
should.
coffee real quick.
All right, good. Yeah, I showed Craig that sophomore year living in the fraternity house, and he didn't think it was funny, and I was like, I was pissed at him for a week.
I could see him not thinking it's funny, man. I'm sorry, dude.
Yeah,
That dude seemed like just like a daggum bump on a log, man. I mean, I know I know your love for him, and I got friends that are like that I love that are bumps on a log. You know what I mean? But I'm like, there's just no way that he would find that funny, and
yeah,
it's just like, man, dang, man, that sucks for you.
yeah. So sorry, man.
You're
Well,
boring.
yeah. There's so many other, but there's so many other things we found funny. Like, he's one of the only other dudes that will like dance with me, like when we're out, like
Yeah,
really, and just kind of match the energy.
yeah.
But yeah, I guess for the not the he doesn't have the Nacho Libre humor.
No.
Nacho.
Declan,
Yes, sir.
how nice was it to?
Beat Missouri.
Yeah, dude.
Oh, so nice.
I mean, they were so into it and they
Oh, they were
needed
so
that
into it.
game, dude. They were so into it and they needed that game so bad.
Yeah,
And we don't have Darius, we don't have Carter Knox. We just still went in there and beat them.
I know. Uh,
And I love how Brazil just kind of put that final dagger.
yes. No,
I
I
think,
love that Brazil was able to have his a 30, almost a 30 ball in his last home game, and then go back
yeah,
to where everything started and just kind of have that dagger put the game away.
put the dagger in them.
Yeah. No, it was great. Like, I guess
I
that's
mean,
what we get with Coach Cal. It's like with any other coach, it's just like, dude, we're losing that game.
yeah, I know.
It's like that was we would be in these close games, but it just wouldn't go our way.
No.
That still happens, obviously,
Yeah, of course.
Alabama. But like, I can't tell you the last time we've gone in to an opponent's. This is not March Madness we're talking about where it's kind of equal. Like, no, we gone away. We're
Yeah,
down. We're down to, 6 guys. And we just gotta grit one out with talent and good
yeah,
coaching and get it done. And
yeah,
I love it. They were so into it. All the student section, we just robbed them of their joy.
yeah, yeah,
The last
yeah,
little bit of hope they had,
yep, yeah,
which they've done that to us plenty of times in football, at
yeah.
least.
Oh God, right. I mean, yeah, yeah. That's why I just have of all the SEC schools, man. I don't know why I just have such a disdain for that program, dude.
Yeah. No, I was telling. That's what I was kind of telling all the guys I was watching it with. I was like, you know, bigger, higher tier SEC school, you Georgia, Alabama, Tennessee's. It's like we lose to those teams. We beat them every once in a while, but we typically lose to them. That's okay. But like, that's why I can't stand Ole Miss. I can't stand Missouri.
Yeah, yeah,
Really can't stand A&M, even though A&M,
right.
they should be
A&M
better.
should always be better than us
They should
because of
be.
just you know
Yeah, but we just
talent. Yeah,
gotta be okay with kind of being middle of the pack, and we're the better of the middle of the pack, though. We really are
yeah,
in a lot of different ways. So we just
right.
got those need to be consistent. Like, no, we own you
Yeah,
type of
yeah.
teams.
And it's like, man, Missouri's not even in the South, man. I'm like, you know what I
Nah,
mean? Like, dude, y'all just aren't even. You're like Midwest.
Midwest. Yeah.
You should be playing Indiana,
Yep.
schools like that, Iowa.
I have to agree. Um, Ewan started showing up late there. Like,
I know.
you
That's
show
what
signs.
it was. It was due to me. He felt it. He knew. He knew he was disappointing me, and then he just turned it on, boy. I
Yeah,
mean, just
fair
turned it
enough.
on. But that's the thing. I mean, we shouldn't even have gone to overtime. I mean, I know every team can say this, but we uncharacteristically, would go up there and brick 2 free throws.
Right. That wouldn't.
You
Yeah,
know,
that's very true. Yeah.
we did not shoot that good in free throws at all.
No, we didn't. And
And that's
even
just not
even
like
in
us.
overtime, we try to give them another chance
Yeah,
a couple times. I'm like, dude,
yeah,
what are we doing?
I know. But no, like I was saying, dude, Patrick Ewing, man, he would be such a solid off the bench, big, power forward.
Yep.
Pringle's just, dude, that Joker.
He's a dud.
He does
Yeah.
the dumbest fouls. Oh my gosh.
No, like that he'll start and literally within the first 5 minutes of the game have 2 fouls.
Yeah, it's like he tries to foul out. Like he
Yeah.
tries. It's like he doesn't want to be out there.
No. Yeah.
He's like, man, let me just get in foul trouble so the coach will take me out.
Right.
I don't know. So bad.
It's bad.
So yeah, dude, we got to step up our game on bigs though. Bad.
Yeah. And not even step up in a big way. Like, we're not asking you to be the dominant player on the court. Just
Yeah,
play good defense and get some
and get
boards
some
here,
rebounds. Yeah,
get some rebounds, and that's all we need out of you two guys.
yeah,
Yeah. Um, but yeah, I mean, Like I can't. Who knows? We could go far in the tournament. We could lose the first game, but we
Yeah,
won.
no.
We won 22 games in the regular season. 21, 23 games,
Is that it? Yeah.
something like that.
So,
Like we had, and I'm content with that. Like
huge. It's great, man. So much fun to
top three
watch,
in the
dude.
SEC was fun to watch. Yeah, we're just gonna always have the talent. That's the beauty of Cal.
Yeah. Yeah.
How was lunch with Uncle Todd?
Oh, it was great. Yeah.
I bet.
Great. We had a great time. Then me and him went and grabbed a beer after that and talked about a bunch of different stuff. Before that, he went down to the game. Yeah, no, we had a wonderful time.
Good. Did you talk about Mom Donnie?
No, we didn't have time. We hit on so many different things though. We just didn't. Yeah, we didn't get to Mom Donnie.
Gotcha.
Um, I am curious to know, get his thoughts on it. But I think he's probably like me with some stuff and just see how things play out. But I just, bro, I mean, I just don't see it playing out good at all. So, but I mean, no, it's a disaster. I mean, it's gonna be a disaster, man.
Yeah.
And you got people of a certain faith out in the street, you know, doing their calls to prayer, and it's just like, what?
Yeah. Yeah. This is
What are
turning.
we doing? I mean, would you ever see that? And would you ever see the reverse? You know,
Yeah. No, you wouldn't.
and the other people doing it keep their heads.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Crazy.
No, it is wild stuff. Right back.
Yeah, me too.
Let's see if we get down here to NQ to that limit buy with this New York Open volume. Let's see what we do.
Dude. It's gonna be 75 degrees out today.
Ooh. Fire.
Oh, what? Chance of rain. That was not on. What?
How are you gonna catch those UV rays, brother?
Yeah, dude. Windy all day? So it's. What? What?
What are you doing?
So chance of rain here at 9. Okay, we're sunny. Sunny and cloudy. UV index. We're only getting up to a 4 today. Give my sunburn a rest.
Well, give your sunburn some time to heal.
Yeah. Much needed. Yeah.
I was saying, we'll see if we get down here on NQ. Why don't you just come down, wick us in?
Oh yeah, we might.
Here, let me pull my chart and squeeze it. Oh, we're so close.
Reject viewer.
You could. I'm not gonna put it past NQ to
No. And gold, I mean, essentially could close up doji here, so I mean right at the view up.
ZV whoop. You know, in hindsight, I wouldn't have been as with the daily not having the top wick here.
To put it down on that.
Right.
The only thing is I mean, it very well could come down for here, especially I say being.
It's pretty much target tap though as well. Off the
Yeah.
floor. Yeah, I see what you're saying.
So it's like.
And the hourly didn't have much of a bottom wick, yeah.
Yeah, and to the fact of it being Monday, I was like,
Yeah.
But so it's almost like MGC buys don't look bad here off the 15, but let's see. Whoa, do we get down?
Yeah. Tricky. I'm thinking about the limit sell we have set.
On gold.
Yeah, based off the daily and the 4 hour, I don't know if I want to be in sells if we do come up and tap that.
So yeah, if I'm gonna be honest, I'm going to, and I'll probably delete both when I get off here in a little bit. When we end live stream and stuff, if we're not tapped in by then.
Right.
Just because, like we were talking about, it was Monday price action, zero news. Um, Crazy stuff going on in the Middle East, and so it's just like it could literally just range right here where it's at all day, not even.
Right. Well, and this is where the VWAP is handy. When you see, obviously we know what ranging looks like, but this is just extra. Like when the VWAP is flat, you don't want to really be trading it.
Yeah.
You want to see more, bigger moves, retest of the VWAP, boom. Anyways, but yeah, I'd agree with you. Unless we get tapped in here, let price play out.
What did I miss?
I personally deleted the sell stop up above.
Or the sell limit sell.
The limit sell. I think by the time we get up into that level,
The day will be over.
yeah, the day will be over, and I think if we do before the day is over, it'll want to continue up. So
Keepity limit sell buy. See ya.
skibbity. It's confusing to you?
Me?
Just kidding. Just a lot going on.
There's a lot going on. Hmm. Yeah, there were just a lot of things why I didn't want to have the limit buy on NQ at 24,359, like right at that support. Even though yeah, right around there. Just I say for like stops would have been where I would have had realistic stops. It's
Yeah,
like, yeah, we could have had it down like I say right at the VWAP, like right at that other support there too. Yeah, that's a 500 pips already, and that's
yeah,
not, I say, a good stop range. Like I say we expect it to come back down there eventually, or
right.
to maybe test it again. But it was just to me that's just a risky play, especially on a Monday.
Definitely. I'd have to agree.
Perceive this coffee done brewing, by golly.
Always.
He was.
Is your day pretty busy with Air Force stuff?
Yeah, this week is crazy. But yeah, we got into course, I say feedback with the commander. Um, then a block 9, or so pretty much it's our final exam review, and then for a minute, and then we take our final exam on paper. So it's like we have a final paper exam. Then tomorrow we have our final like ride, trainer ride, like just like a simulating whatever down in the capsule. And then Wednesday and Thursday we have our uh, final test in the box, or like in the capsule trainer area.
Yeah.
And then Friday we give a 2-hour presentation on codes and EWO, so to make sure so we can get certified for that. So
Man.
yeah, they're
Then after this week, is there another
I'm
busy week?
done.
You're done? Less on this?
Essentially, yeah. Uh,
Then it's like, okay, graduate and move
yeah.
across the
Move
country.
the next day.
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty much. So yeah, I'm done Friday, but then it's uh I've done 0 out processing stuff that's required. Like I need to go get Grace and I's cars weighed. Uh there's other stuff that I thought I wrote down that I needed to do. I need to get the oil changed in her car too. I need to do a lot of like paperwork stuff so that they can get me, I say, processed outside or out of base. So
Gotcha.
yeah, but yep, hopefully we'll this is one of the last, or it'll be less busy after this.
Yeah, definitely. I think it will be, I think.
I
I think
hope so.
not 80% of it's just like the random schedule.
Yeah, changes all the time. Like it just changed Friday morning. Um, or sorry, Friday after. Yeah, I guess that is still morning whenever it got changed. Right before we left Friday. Um, our Monday schedule, like, oh yeah, hey, by the way, this is changing Monday. I was like, oh, okay.
Sweet.
Sweet.
Yeah, I think you'll at least be able to plan around a lot of this stuff.
Yeah, hopefully, maybe some. But
Well, with a lot, like you plan around like what your new schedule once you get in North Dakota is. What else? I guess what else?
yeah, and that's what I'm looking forward to. But it could be a while before I go on alert.
Yeah.
So that's what they were saying. So I say a while. They're like, it could be, depending on how bad they need you, it could be a month, it could be 3 months. I wouldn't mind 3 months.
Yeah. 3 months. What are your thoughts on this coming down into or
I like it. I'm keeping it there.
I do too.
Um, we'll see if we can get all the way down there. If
Right.
not, cool. But could reject out of there.
And then what do we do if it does come down there? Do we just
We
do?
freak out and delete.
Now, once you get
No.
tapped in, it's just where you say that's when you set your stop loss and take profit and you manage
Okay.
it. Yeah.
And we have so much time to do that too, because our stops are so big. But yeah, we'll see. I also wouldn't even mind an NQ like sell here if it closes below that range.
Right.
But I almost got tapped in on gold.
Yeah, very close.
Are y'all still have your NQ limit by?
Yeah.
For now, yeah.
Okay.
See if we manage it.
No way.
Ain't no way, man.
There is no way, dude.
You gonna miss me by a pip? And then run away? Are you kidding me?
Wow.
Yeah. I guess we could have had it. Well, now that's right at where it
No,
needs to be.
it's at that
Yeah.
that on the 15 that I like. I mean, it's get tapped in. If you don't, it is what it is.
Because it was yeah, I forgot that I moved my chart into normal territory. So instead of yeah, no, I like exactly where it's at. That's money. Get an NQ close back into it. Whoa, that missed me by a pip.
Yeah, same. Bro. This is nuts.
You're talking about gold missed you by pip, not NQ.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, gold is just teasing me. And then I'm in and it shoots.
Filled.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna delete my one off NQ.
Yeah.
Order filled.
Okay.
That's
Fuck.
cool.
Up's going down here. Take profit going. Does it look like back to the VWAP? 190? Is that where you're having it or where are you doing it? Yeah, you had it up a little higher too. I like that.
Yeah, I got mine. I mean, this is a combine, so realistically, I should have gone a little bit more size-wise on this guy.
Yeah,
but I mean, as we're testing the squeeze play out, that's kind of why I'm just like, you know.
Yeah, we'll see if I pass my combine here. We're getting close to it. But
yeah,
I'm saying, where are you having it on your top one?
I have to have it at these highs right here for that consistency.
Okay. That's the area I was looking at as well.
So that's realistic take profit right there. At 51.16, Dad.
51.16.
Yeah, that's where I would have it. Your take profit. I don't know how many micros you had for how many micros did you go on this guy?
I said 4 for him, so he but
on the combine I did 3.
Okay.
And on the regular one I did 1. Right?
On your 150K, you could have gone a little bit heavier.
Okay.
That's all right though. That's still, I mean, this is your first time taking this trade, so
yeah.
I could have gone heavier on this combine realistically, but no biggie.
That's the beauty of it, is it takes like we let it play out for so long too. So
Right.
it's like let's see if this combine passes. Oh, almost there. But
Dude, I'm pumped. You about to have that second XP?
yeah. It also missed me by a pip.
Ah, nice.
And so 50-21 is where I need to be.
Yeah. Your take profit like at these highs off the 15 would be good. Like 51.17.
Yeah, I got that. Yeah, 51.
Oh, you're talking about, yeah, 50.21. That's where I've got my stop loss. I don't know about yours, Dyson, on your actual.
I got 15, 16. Yeah, I got mine a little lower at the break, or because I'm pretty sure that's daily low. Yeah, yeah, I got mine at the little lower than the break of the daily low. So,
Gotcha, yeah, it makes.
but we'll see. Did you go one on yours? Micro on your combine?
Yeah, my combine I did, yeah. Realistically, could have done more, but
I did 4 because stops down there where I have them is the full 2100.
yeah.
So
It's not a bad way to go about it. Just like,
map out, yeah, how many contracts I can do based off of what my stops are looking like on mine.
and then have your take profit set. Yeah, that makes sense. I'll probably up another combine just at 50K and do that for my next one.
Yeah.
But I think this daily, man, I think we push out of here.
Oh, dude, 100%. I
Hey,
think it can
Declan,
get out.
or Declan and Dyson. Sorry to interrupt.
Okay.
But so you have man, I don't know if your sell stop down at 50-21. Am I saying that right? The sell stop?
Your
Your
stop loss?
stop loss.
Stop loss. Sorry. Is that because it's at the bottom of the wick on that green candle? Pretty
Right.
much.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's
Okay.
just like a good place to let this trade breathe because it can fluctuate,
Okay.
you
Yeah.
know, and it can
Yeah.
reject off of that next level. And so, yeah, that's why we have our stops. And then, I mean, basically targeting like a 1-to-1 for me on this combo. Like, um, so letting this thing breathe and play out. And I'm okay with those stops. You could have your stops up here if you want tighter stops. I mean, we've rejected off of these levels in the past as well. So you could have your stops, a little tighter
Yeah.
at 50,
Right.
55. But it's just based off of how you want to trade this. That's the beauty of it. Um,
Yeah. Gotcha.
so yeah.
Yeah.
Just out of curiosity, how long do you foresee being in this?
I could
A couple
anywhere from
hours.
like, yeah, 1 hour to market close. I'll probably
Okay.
try to check in during power hour.
Okay, I got you. So I got a couple of work calls to return. I can hit those now.
Oh yeah, I
Yeah,
would set once you
100%.
got all your stuff set, you're good to
Okay.
walk
You could
away.
close your computer and like just be done.
All right, bet.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah. Got it. Okay, fellas. Well, I'll come back by. But
Right.
if y'all peace out at 9 o'clock, we'll see you.
Alrighty.
Sounds
All
good.
right.
Yeah, I think this will be even better too once we're able to run. Once we get back up to our whatchamacallit, our 5.
Oh, dude. That's kind of what I've been envisioning is that, like, this right here, a nice little overnight Asian trade, bang across 5 accounts. Yeah.
Yeah, and it's like not even any because it's still truly base hits. Like we're
Yeah.
not
We're not trying to, go for the
no.
long.
No, it's not like we're yeah, I say having it at
5188.
yeah. Like, oh yeah, we're gonna target the entire range. It's like, no, that's
Right.
still a base hit. But that's what's so funny about these trades sometimes is like we'll get them during Asian session. We'll sit and we'll watch it during Asian session for 2 hours. I'll check it when I go before I go to bed right before London. Extreme drawdown. I'll wake up in the morning and London pushed it to TP. I was like, ah, nice.
Mm-hmm.
It's like, well, unfortunately, I just had to look at drawdown for a couple hours, but
Right. Yeah, just sit there and see red.
see
Straight
red for 2 hours. Yeah, get into the trade and be like, well, we didn't see a lick of daylight until I went to bed and then just
Yeah.
saw profit. But
Yeah. Letting them breathe, man.
yeah, and this 4 hour tapping targets too, which I like.
Mm. 4-hour tapping targets. I think Daly's made that low. But once we break it, then we don't want to be a part of it.
Yep, not valid anymore.
Yeah.
That's the only valid place to have. That's the only valid place to have stops, in my opinion.
Definitely.
Uh, but we'll see, because 4 hour will close here in a couple minutes.
Yeah, that's right.
So, and then I will need to get going because I got to be there at 8 today.
Yeah, we can call it. It's been a good session. We
Yeah.
got runner trade. We got our levels set. So now it's just up to the probabilities. Let it play out. So
Yeah, and we deleted the one off MNQ, guys. So
yeah.
make sure I actually do have it. That's
Declan, so why did you change? Why did you go up to 5017 on your stop loss?
Um, you like go down. It's just because it's the
Or go down, I mean.
yeah, because on the daily it'd be the rebreak of the daily lows, and it would take us a while to get down there, and that would
Okay.
truly make the trade invalid. So that's why I have it set there. 5017.7.
Got it.
So
But yeah, I don't know. Oh yeah, I'll leave my level set here. Exactly. I'll kind of screenshot it and I'll screenshot, post it in the Discord. Where's futures trading? Bang. And that's I just posted it in the Discord, but that's where I'll have it. I'll check back in during lunch. If
yeah,
I'm
sounds
gonna
good.
move it or what I'm gonna do. But
Is
because I
everyone
make
good
or
though?
break.
Brett, Cade, y'all have yours set.
Yeah, any questions, guys?
Sitting out. Gotcha. No, I think I'm pumped that you're hopping back on and you can see how this plays out. And then, you know, if you want to re-up another combine when you got a little extra cash to throw, I think it's good to just kind of sit back, watch this, get an idea of how we're trading this. I think just watching this right now is like, okay, that makes sense. You know, have your level set. That's the nice thing about this is getting it set, letting it breathe, let it do its thing. So,
Yeah, and yeah, great. And because keep in mind too, because it's like we're still testing this out. So it's like I say it's still in the testing phase.
Yeah.
But we really like it, and so I say we'll see how it wants to play out. Yeah. Cade, you all good? I know you're at work probably.
Yeah, he's got his set. So I like that we came down and retested those wicks.
Yeah.
So all right, y'all have a good day.
Yep. We'll be texting in the Discord.
Yeah.
Oh, the Discord.
The
The Discord. Since you got a new phone, you can download it and set it up.
I go to set it up and get the Discord.
Yeah, get the Discords. Just make sure figure out what Discord you're logged into on your computer, so when you log in, you'll have
Bro, I
access
have no. I don't even know. I don't even know. I don't know how to do that. I'll probably have to call you.
That's
The one it's the one y'all like y'all had to invite me. Remember, because I couldn't.
I know. Now that we invited you though, if you use that same, just to sign into your Discord, if you just use that same, so if you go up to like your account, you just click on it, boom, this is me. Probably go into edit profile. Let's go my account, and then you go, oh, here's my email, and then you reveal it, and just see what email you used.
Okay, do that again. Do that again.
So
I wasn't watching.
so I'm in the forward strategy. So like just how you pull this up on your computer, right?
Huh?
And then you go down here bottom left, and you just click on your name.
Okay. Yeah. I do this.
And then you go to edit profile.
Okay.
You there?
Yeah.
My account.
My account. Hang on. Okay. Main profile. Preview. I'm not seeing a my account thing.
And the user settings.
Oh, yeah, got it. Sorry.
Very good. And then your email right there. If you just click reveal, it'll show you what email.
Yeah, so that's the thing. It doesn't. It says add an email to claim your account.
What about what phone number?
There is not a phone number. It's just Jefferson. It's just username Jefferson Baldwin _ 4587. So do I need to do that? Just write that down.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey guys, I gotta get rolling.
All right, man.
See you, buddy.
See ya.
Alrighty.
_ 4587. So maybe start because that's what it keeps saying. Is it says an unclaimed account. I always see that. So it says, please add an email and password to claim your account before it's lost. So that's what I'll do. I'm guessing, you know.
Claim your account. Yeah, use your. So in that, just claim your account with your Jefferson Ford Baldwin.
Like right now or whenever I'm signing up.
Yeah, do that right now where it says you claim your account. So you have that set up, and then when you download it on your phone, you just sign in with your Jefferson Ford Baldwin.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yep.